Express a matrix as sum of symmetric and skew-symmetric matrices. How to express this? To solve this kind of questions, let us assume P as half of A plus A transpose and here what does it mean? Half of A plus A transpose, like now we can solve it as half of A is 3 minus 4 1 minus 1 plus A transpose. Rows become column, column become row. 1 minus 1. Now just simply add. You will get it as 3 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 1. Now we'll check whether P transpose is equal to P or not. Now P transpose becomes, from here, P transpose becomes row become column and column become row. So which is nothing but the same P matrix itself. Therefore, P is a symmetric matrix. Now let Q is half of A minus A transpose, which means half of 3 minus 4 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 1 minus 1. Now when you solve this, you will get it as 0 minus 5 by 2 5 by 2 and 0. I already told you for skew-symmetric matrix the diagonal elements will be 0. Now let's check by taking Q transpose. Q transpose becomes 0, 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2 and 0. Take minus common, you'll get as 0, minus 5 by 2, 5 by 2 and 0, which is nothing but minus Q. From here we can say Q is a skew-symmetric matrix. Therefore, we can write it as A matrix as P plus Q, which is nothing but half of A plus A transpose plus half of A minus A transpose. Express this matrix as sum of symmetric and skew-symmetric matrices. Solve this question by taking an example as the above question. Okay, try to solve this.